Do you want to learn how to repair credit, start a credit repair business, business credit, funding, starting a funding business, and so much more to help you make over $100,000 a year? You are in the right spot, my friend. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Not only have I done it myself, but I have also been featured on Credit Repair Cloud's podcast, where I show you guys how to start and market your credit repair business. I put together a credit community for you guys to join for one low monthly fee, or you can join for the year. Now, if you are interested in more of like a one-on-one mentorship, I also have that as well. I have a few slots available where I can teach you exactly how to set up your credit repair business, how to operate it, how to set up your systems, your automations, how to hire people, how to do everything from A to Z that took me over 8 years to learn. Okay, guys, how to start a YouTube channel, how to market your business on social media, how to network with other professionals so you always are having constant clients, guys. This is a complete game changer, whether you are employed full-time or you want to make this your full-time business, or if you even want to add this to the arsenal of services that you already offer. This is a great side hustle or full-time hustle that you can add into your business model right now. It's scalable. And guess what? You can hire people to do it for you. So all that you have to do is focus on your business as a whole, focus on the marketing, focus on the sales, and focus on growing and expanding your business. I have done it. I have shown thousands of other people how to do it as well. Some people realize, wow, if I would have known this sooner, if I would have met you sooner, I just paid $5,000 for a course and it wasn't hands-on. Well, I give you the hands-on mentorship that you would need, whether your goal is to fix your credit, start a credit repair business, start a funding business, start a business credit business, whatever service type business you want to start. I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you, and I'm here to coach you on how you can start this business, scale this business, and most importantly, reach six-figure business goals. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. I have a credit community that you can join now for less than $25 a week, guys, and that is a steal of a deal. You are going to get access to all of the replays. I also give you digital products that you can recreate your own inside of Canva, so you can have digital products that are already made for you that you can sell, you can provide as value, you can use as a lead magnet, and you're also going to have access to all of these different replays inside of the credit community. And some of these replays are hours long, guys. I've brought on other professionals that we've had master classes, and I give you the real deal information that you need to know, not what you want to hear. So if you want to learn more about business credit, credit repair business, funding, whether you want to be a money broker, you want to start a funding business, whatever service or product-based business, you're going to need credit. And if you want to learn how to leverage credit to build wealth, this is exactly where you need to be, inside of the credit community. Comment the word community and I will send you exclusive access. You can also book a call with me to learn how you can work one-on-one with me as a mentor for the next year, and I can show you exactly what you need to do outside of the community, where we will be working one-on-one and meeting once a month to review everything and ensure that you have all of your systems, your processes set up, you know what you're doing, you're confident in your skill set, and most importantly, you're growing your business and you're making money. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching and supporting. I appreciate you. Give me a huge thumbs up. Let me know you're here in the comments, and most importantly, take action. I'll see you next time.